Now we will check the calibration like this. You need to place a calibration bar uh, between the two probes. One connected with transmitter and one connected with receiver cable that goes to the main unit MAE Chronosonic. There is a button over here which will start the instrument. You have to long press it. It will start the instrument. Over here you can see there are navigation buttons. Obviously the down button indicates that you have selected another option, like this one is probe distance, then calibration, then memory. So obviously in memory you can see what you have done so far. As far as the probe distance is concerned, you can enter the value of the test object. For example, the lateral dimension of the test object. For example, any concrete material like this, if probes are attached over here and here, so this distance becomes the probe distance. You can enter it manually by using these navigation buttons like this. Okay, now as we are going to check this calibration rod, and we have already measured it using a ruler. It comes out as 12 centimeter. Okay, so we will enter this value over here. Like this, and then enter. Go back and then measure. By doing so, we are also checking the transit time of the calibration bar, so as to ensure that the values are coming exactly as written over there. Manual and automatic. These are two modes. We are going to use the manual mode. When this comes, waiting trigger, you have to press the upper button like this. So 50.1 microseconds. This is the value which comes out, which matches the value written over there.